Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Today we are doing rational numbers exercise 1B. Now in the new book we have a multiple choice question. So this is question 1. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So let's begin with question 1. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. Sum means when you add up two numbers, the answer that you get is called the sum. So when you add up two rational numbers, the answer is 8. If one of them is 2, 3 by 4, the other number is, and we have been given 4 options here, we have to find the right one. So sum of two rational numbers, that means if you take two rational numbers, the answer is 8 and one of the rational numbers is given to us. So that means 2, 3 by 4 plus the other number. We have to find out what the other number is. The answer is 8. So now we're going to work this out just as we used to work linear equations. We're going to solve for x. So x will leave it on the side. On the other side, we'll leave 8 as it is. Now let's move this 2, 3 by 4 to the other side. So this becomes minus 2, 3 by 4. Now we're going to solve 8 minus 2, 3 by 4. So let's do that. So we continue this as the equation. X is equal to 8 minus, now convert this first. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. So that becomes 11 by 4. So here the denominator will be 1. Now to find the value of x, we have to find the LCM here. The LCM of 1 and 4 will be 4. So take the first rational number 8 by 1. Look at the denominator 1. 1 into 4. So 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. Minus, take the second rational number, denominator is 4. 4 1s are 4. So 11 1s are 11. 32 minus 11. So the value of x here is 32 minus 11 is 21 by 4. Now convert 21 by 4 to a mixed number. 4 5s are 20. So what is remaining? 1. 21 by 4. So we have found the value of x to be 4 and x we said is the other number. Okay, the other number is x and we have found the other number 5 1 by 4. So here in the options 5 1 by 4 is option C. So what is our answer? Our answer is option C. This is our answer. Question 2. For three rational numbers, we have three rational numbers here, a by b, c by d and e by f. Now we have these options, we have to see which is correct. Now whenever we have three rational numbers, we learned about the associative property. What did that say? That if we have three rational numbers like this, a by b plus c by d plus e by f, and on the other side also we have the same a by b plus c by d plus e by f, and if we group them differently, like here if we group these two, that is the second and the third rational numbers, and on the other side if we group the first and the second rational numbers, this will be equal. This is what we learned and this is the associative property. So let's see if this is there anywhere. So here we have the group here, but we don't have a group this side. Here also we have a group. We don't have a group this side. Here we have a group. That means this is just like this. The only difference is, look at this. It says it's not equal to. So here it says equal to. So if it is an associative property, it should be equal to. But here it says not equal to. So C cannot be considered as an option, as an answer to this. Now look at this one here. Here it was equal till here, but then we have an extra one here and we have this repeated, a by b repeated here, okay, which is also not true. So it cannot be C, it cannot be D. Now look at this one. Here also it's subtraction. So here it says, let's open this bracket and see what we get. So on the left hand side we have a by b and then we have minus, isn't it? So let's open the bracket. So it becomes minus c by d. Then when you open the bracket, remember the sign will change. So minus becomes plus, plus e by f. So on the left hand side we have this. So this, when I open the bracket, I get this. A by b minus c by d plus e by f. But look at the right hand side. A by b is the same. Minus c by d is the same. Here it says minus, here it says plus. So it cannot be option B also. That means it can only be option A. So option A is the answer, but let's work that also out and see. So here let's open the brackets on the left hand side. So it is A. So we'll have A by B on the left hand side. Now we have a minus sign. So remember the signs inside will change. So it becomes minus C by D. Then minus becomes plus E by F. So on the left hand side we have this. Let's see what we have on the right hand side. A by B, yes. Minus C by D, yes. Plus E by F, yes. That means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is your correct answer. Question 3. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 6. If one of them is 4 1 by 2, find the other number, and we have four options given here. So one number is given to us. That means if I take this number 4 1 by 2 and I add one more number to it, which we are going to find out, my answer is going to be minus 6. So now I must solve for x to find the other number. So on the right hand side, we'll leave minus 6 as it is. Now we are going to move this to the other side. So it becomes minus 4 1 by 2. So let's solve that. X is equal to minus 6 minus, let's convert, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So that becomes 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Now continue. X is equal to minus 6, give it the denominator 1, minus 9 by 2. So x is equal to, now the LCM here is 2. Take the first rational number, 1 into 2 is 2. So minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Minus, take the second rational number, 2 into 1. So 9 into 1. 9 ones are 9. So now x is equal to minus 12 minus 9. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. It becomes 21 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to, now convert this 21 by 2 into a mixed number. That is 21 divided by 2. 2 tens are 20. So what is remaining is 1. So what is our mixed number? The minus sign is there. Mixed number is 10. 1 by 2. So we have found the value of x, which is minus 10 1 by 2, which is the other number. So in the options, where is 10 minus 10 1 by 2? It is option D. So our answer here is option D. Question 4. The number subtracted from this number to get minus 1 by 2 is one of these. So you have to understand the question. So a number is subtracted from this number. That means this number will come first. That means 5, 2 by 3. A number that is subtracted from this to get minus 1, 2 by 3. So here we have to find out this number x. So let's find out the value of x. So this is an equation. So let's write minus x here as it is. And here we have minus 1, 2 by 3. Now we're going to transpose this to the other side. So it becomes minus 5, 2 by 3. Let's continue. Minus x is equal to, now convert this. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 4, 5. So that becomes minus 5 by 3 minus the other side. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17 minus 17 by 3. Continue. Minus x is equal to, now here the denominator is the same, which can be taken as LCM. So the numerators also will be the same, minus 5 minus 17. So minus x is equal to minus 5 plus 17 is 22 by 3. Now minus and minus here, minus on this side and minus on that side, you can cancel. So x is equal to, convert 22 by 3 to a mixed number. 22 by 3, 3 sevens are 21 minus 1. So what is our mixed number? 7, 1 by 3. So what is our answer? The number that is added, that is subtracted from 5 2 by 3 is 7, 1 by 3, which is option D. So the answer is 7, 1 by 3. Question 5. The number added to this number to get this number is one of these. So that means let's take this number first. So this is the number. The number that is added to this, that is x, to get minus 1, 2 by 3 is what we need to find out. the value of x. So to find the value of x, let's leave x here. On the right hand side, we have minus 1, 2 by 3. Let's transpose this to the other side. So this becomes minus when it goes to the other side. So it is minus 5, 2 by 3. So now to find the value of x, x is equal to, convert 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 5 by 3. Then convert on the other side, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17 minus 17 by 3. Let's find the value of x is equal to here. LCM is 3, and since the LCM, the denominators are the same, even the numerators, we can write it as it is, minus 5 minus 17. Now here x is equal to minus 5 plus 17 is 22 by 3. Now x is equal to minus, convert 22 by 3 into a mixed number. 3 sevens are 21 minus, you have 1 here. So what is our mixed number? 7, 1 by 3. So now we have found the value of x. X is equal to minus 7, 1 by 3. And that is which option? Option B, minus 7, 1 by 3. So we have found the answer to this question. Question 2, evaluate. Now here first one, as you can see, subtraction. Now we did addition of rational numbers and we studied some properties, isn't it? Now some of those properties are the same for subtraction also, like the closure property. The closure property says that when you add up two rational numbers, your answer is a rational number. Similarly, when you subtract two rational numbers, your answer is a rational number. So that is applicable, whereas we had the commutative property and the associative property in addition, which is not applicable for subtraction. So let's begin. Now, as we go through the different kinds of sums, we will make use of the properties. Now here we have 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. As you can see, the denominators are different, so we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So let's begin by first writing the question. 2 by 3 minus 4 by 5. Let's find the LCM of the denominators, 3 and 5. So here 3 ones are 3. We bring down 5 as it is. Continue this time with 5, 1 and 1. Now what is our LCM? Our LCM is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Our LCM is 15. We're going to use that as the common denominator here, 15. Now we can use any method to find the numerators. We can multiply with this and then multiply the same thing with the numerator, or we can take the first rational number 2 by 3, multiply it by the LCM, cancel, 3 5s are 15, then multiply the two numerators, 5 2s are 10. So that will be our first numerator here, 10 minus. Now take the second rational number 4 by 5 into the LCM, 15, cancel, 5 3s are 15, multiply these two, 4 3s are 12. So we have 12 here. So 10 minus 12. So here what do we have? 10 minus 12, signs are different. So we put the sign the bigger number and subtract 12 minus 10, which is 2, and the denominator is 15. So what is our answer here? Minus 2 by 15. Question 2. Here we have minus 4 by 9 minus 2 by minus 3. As you can see, the denominator is negative. We have to put it in the standard form, move the negative sign to the numerator. So what do we have? Our question now becomes minus 4 by 9 minus minus 2 by 3. So now the denominator has become positive. Now let's find the LCM of the denominators 9 and 3. Let's use 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Then again we use 3, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So let's use that LCM here, 9. Take the first rational number minus 4 by 9. Multiply it by the LCM 9. Cancel. So what do we have left? Minus 4. So our first numerator is minus 4. Take the second one, minus 2 by 3. Multiply it by the LCM. Cancel. 3 3s are 9. Now multiply these two. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. So here we have minus 6. Let's open the bracket now. Minus 4 plus 6. Now when you see minus before a bracket, the sign will change. or you can also say minus into minus is plus. So that's how we got plus 6 here. And the denominator is 9. Minus 4 plus 6, the signs are different. So we use the sign of the bigger number, which is plus, and we subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2 and the denominator is 9. So our answer here to this question is 2 by 9. Question 3, minus 1 minus 4 by 9. So this will be minus 1 by 1 minus 4 by 9. Now our LCM here will be 9. Okay, whenever you have one and another number, the other number will automatically become the LCM. Now let's use this method here. Now 1 into 9 is 9. So we multiply this also by 9. Minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. Minus, let's take the next one. 9 ones are 9. So 4 ones are 4. So this is 4. So here signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add 9 plus 4 is 13 by 9 minus 13 by 9. So that is our answer. Question 4. So here we have minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by minus 14. The denominator is negative. We have to put it in the standard form. Move the negative sign to the numerator. So the question now is minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 14. Now let's find the LCM of 7 and 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 with 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now continue with 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 7 into 2. 7 twos are 14. So that is a common LCM here, common denominator, which is our LCM. Now let's take the first rational number minus 2 by 7, multiply it by the LCM 14. Cancel, 7 twos are 14, multiply. This becomes minus 4. Let's write minus 4 here. Take the second rational number minus 3 by 14. Multiply it by the LCM, which is 14. Cancel 14 and 14. What is left is minus 3. So let's write that minus 3. Let's open the brackets. Minus 4 plus 3 by 14. Signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 14. Minus 1 by 14. So this is our answer. Question 5. Minus 5 by 18 minus 2 by 9. Let's write that down. Minus 5 by 18 minus 2 by 9. So let's find the LCM of 18 and 9. Let's begin with 3. 3 sixes are 18. 3 threes are 9. Continue with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. Now use 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? LCM is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 threes are 9. 9 twos are 18. So LCM is 18. So let's write that. That is our common denominator, 18. Now let's use the first rational number minus 5 by 18. Multiply it by the LCM, which is also 18. So cancel. So what do we have here? Minus 5. That is our first numerator, minus 5 minus. Now let's take the second rational number minus 2 by 9 into 18. Cancel 9 and 18. 9 twos are 18. Multiply these two, you get minus 4. So here we have minus 4. Now let's open brackets. Minus 5 plus 4 by 18. Signs are different. Put the side of the bigger number and subtract 5 minus 4 is 1 by 18. Minus 1 by 18. So this is our answer. Question 6. So let's write down this question as it is. So here we have 5 by 21. 5 by 21 minus 13 by 42. So now denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators 21 and 42. Let's use 2. So bring down 21 as it is. Then here 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Now let's use 3. 3 sevens are 21. And now we can use 7, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 3 into 7. 2 threes are 6, 6 sevens are 42. So that we are going to use as the common denominator here, 42. Take the first rational number, 5 by 21 into 42. So cancel 21, 21 twos are 42, 5 twos are 10. So our first numerator here is 10 minus, take the next one, minus 13 by 42 into the LCM, which is 42 also. So cancel. So what do we have? Minus 13. So here this becomes minus 13. Now let's remove the brackets. 10 plus 13. Minus into minus is plus by 42. Now 10 plus 13 is 23 and the denominator is 42. 23 by 42. This is our answer. Question 2, subtract. Question 1 under this is 5 by 8 from minus 3 by 8. So whenever you have the word from, you have to write what comes after that first. So we're going to write minus 3 by 8 first and 5 by 8 second. So this is minus 3 by 8 minus 5 by 8. It says subtract, so we are subtracting. Now here we have to find the LCM, but as you can see, these are like terms, both have 8 as the denominator, so that is the LCM. Since that is the same, even the numerators will be the same. Minus 3 minus 5. Now minus 3 minus 5 signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add 3 plus 5 is 8 and denominator is also 8. 8 by 8 is 1. So the answer here is minus 1. Question 2. Subtract the first rational number from the second one. So let's write the second one first. 4 by 11 minus 8 by 11. So as you can see, denominators are the same. So that is going to be our LCM. So the numerators also are the same. 4 minus 8. Now let's remove the brackets. 4 minus into minus is plus 8 by 11. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 by 11. We can convert to a mixed number. 11 ones are 11. What is remaining is 1 by 11. So what's our final answer? 1 by 11 as a mixed number. This is our final answer. Question 3. Subtract the first rational number from the second one. So let's write the second one first. Minus 5 by 9 minus 4 by 9. So denominators are the same. So that is going to be our LCM. So the numerators also will be the same. Minus 5 minus 4. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 5 plus 4 is 9 by 9. So 9 by 9 is 1 and we have the minus sign. So our answer to this question is minus 1. Question 4. So again here, since we have to subtract the first rational number from the second, we are writing the second one first. Minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Here the denominators are different, so we must make it the same by finding the LCM of the denominators, 8 and 4. Let's use 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Continue with 2. 2 2s are 4 and then 1. Continue with 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So let's use that as the common denominator, 8. Take the first rational number minus 3 by 8 multiplied by the LCM 8. Cancel. So what is left is minus 3. So we can use that minus 3 minus, take the second rational number 1 by 4 into the LCM 8. You can cancel. 4 2s are 8. So 1 into 2 is 2. So we can write that minus 2. So here minus 3 minus 2. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 8. So we have minus 5 by 8, which is our answer. Question 5. Here let's write down the second rational number first. Minus 13 by 16 minus 5 by 8. So again the denominators are different. Let's find the LCM of 16 and 8. Use 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Continue. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Continue. 2 2s are 4. 1s are 2. Again we're going to use 2, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So LCM is 16. So that is the common denominator here. Now look at the first rational number, minus 13 by 16. The denominator is 16. That is 16 into 1 is 16. So we write the same thing here. Minus 13 into 1 is minus 13. Now let's take the second rational number, minus 5 by 8, and multiply it with the LCM, which is 16. Cancel, 8 2s are 16. So multiply, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. So we can write that minus 10. Now let's remove the brackets. Minus 13, minus into minus is plus, plus 10 by 16. Minus 13 plus 10, signs are different. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3, minus 3 by 16. So this is the final answer, minus 3 by 16. Question 6. Subtract this rational number from this. So let's write this one first. That is 5 by 33 minus 9 by 22. Now we have to find the LCM of 33 and 22. Just by looking at this, you can make out that it's divisible by 11, isn't it? 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22. Now you can use 2, bring down 3, 2 1s are 2. Now use 3, 3, 1 and 1. So what is our LCM here? LCM will be 11 into 2 into 3. 11 2s are 22. 22 into 3 is 66. So that is our LCM here, 66. Now let's take the first rational number, 5 by 33, and multiply it with 66. We can cancel 33 and 66. 33 2s are 66. 5 2s are 10. So that is our first numerator, 10, minus, take the next one, minus 9 by 22. Multiply it with the LCM, 66. Cancel 22 and 66 into 3. Now multiply, minus 27. So let's write that, minus 27 in brackets. Now let's remove the brackets. 10 minus into minus is plus, plus 27 by 66. Now let's add up. 10 plus 27 is 37 and the denominator is 66. So this is our answer, 37 by 66. Question 3. Now this will be question 4 in the new book. The sum of two rational numbers is 9 by 20. If one of them is 2 by 5, find the other. That means when you add up two numbers, the answer is 9 by 20 and one of the number is given to us. So that means, now suppose I take 2 by 5 as the first number. When I add another number to it, let's call it x, my answer is going to be 9 by 20. Now we've worked out sums like this earlier. Now this is the form of linear equation because we have to solve for x, which is the other number. So let's solve for x. On the right hand side we have 9 by 20, leave it as it is. Now we're going to move this, that is 2 by 5, to the other side. We're going to transpose it. And since it is plus there, it becomes minus when it comes here, minus 2 by 5. So we are going to solve for x again. So x is equal to, now 9 by 20 minus 2 by 5 is subtraction. So we have to find the LCM of the denominators. Let's use 5 here. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Continue with 2. 2 2s are 4. Again you can continue with 2. 2 1s are 2. Now what is your LCM? LCM is 5 into 2 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So here LCM is 20. Now look at the first rational number. Denominator is 20. So we can write 9 as it is. Minus, let's take the second rational number 2 by 5 and multiply it with the LCM, which is 20. Cancel, 5 4s are 20. Multiply, 2 4s are 8 and write that 8 here. 9 minus 8. Now to find the value of x, we say 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 by 20. So we have found the other number. The other number is x and that is 1 by 20. Question 4, which is 5 in the new book. The sum of two rational numbers is given to us and one of the numbers is given. We have to find the other number. So this is one number, that is minus 8 by 15 is one number. When we add a number to this, we get the sum, which is minus 2 by 3. So now again, in the form of linear equation, we're going to solve for x. So we write minus 2 by 3 as it is, minus 8 by 15, which is here. We're going to transpose it to the other side. It's going to become minus minus 8 by 15. Now we're going to solve for x. So here, as you can see, minus 2 by 3 and minus 8 by 15 denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM of 3 and 15. We can use 3 itself. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Continue with 5, 1 and 1. So the LCM here is 3 into 5, which is 15. So the LCM is 15. Look at the first rational number, minus 2 by 3. Multiply that by the LCM, which is 15. Cancel 3 and 15. 3 5s are 15. Multiply these two. Minus 2 into 5 is minus 10. So let's write that minus 10. Minus, look at the second rational number. It's 15. Here also it's 15. So we can write minus 8 as it is without any change. Minus 8. Now let's solve for x. X is equal to minus 10, remove brackets, minus into minus is plus, plus 8 by 15. Now the value of x is equal to, now here we have minus 10 plus 8, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2, minus 2 by 15. So our answer here is minus 2 by 15, which is the other number. Question 5, this is question 6 in the new book. The sum of two rational numbers is given and one number is given. We have to find the other number, just like the other sums. So minus 8 by 5 is one number. To this, when we add x, the new number, our answer will be minus 6. Now let's solve for x. X is equal to minus 6 and transpose the other number. It becomes minus 8 by 5. So this is going to become by 1. Now let's solve again for x. So here the LCM will be 5. Now the first one, 1, the denominator is 1. 1 into 5 is 5, isn't it? So multiply this also by 5. So when you multiply, 6 5s are 30. That's minus 30 minus, here the denominators are the same. So we write the same numerator also, which is minus 8. Now let's remove the brackets. X is equal to minus 30, minus into minus is plus, plus 8 by 5. So x is equal to minus 8, minus 30 plus 8, sign of the bigger number and subtract. 30 minus 8 is 22 by 5. So the other number that we have found out now is minus 22 by 5. So we will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.